Shannon, don't put your back to it.
Another one here, actually.
Hannah, did you get the sticks? I don't know what it is. But I can go for you. Guys, there's some more if you want them.
Yeah.
Me and Abby are like the really ones that make you all freak out.
Right. Welcome to Paranormal Activity 4.
Follow us! Are you chicken?
Activity!
Now follow me!
A marshmallow! We're going out of civilization.
You can't see anything, Mia. Mia, you can't see anything.
Well, Mia, can I have one? Can I have one?
There's no light on it, you wanker, is there? Oh, okay. Shannon, I need a torch. I need to stay by it. The torch is broken! No. You can't see anything in this ship.
First of all, up tonight.
We have Abby telling the story of the doll.
It's a little cute doll.
Oh, from it, someone farted.
Give me one. We'll do it at one.
Guys, Abby needs to tell her story in a minute. Marshmallows! Eyeballs.
I love how we have done.
I don't want to go. Let Abby tell her story.
Guys,
Abby, come
this
forward.
might just freak you out a bit, guys.
I'll keep it on your camera.
But I need to tip it forward.
That's my worst fear, paedophiles.
Right, guys. Shh. She's telling her story.
You need to keep it on us or you can't see anything.
Yes.
Keep it on Abby for her story.
By the way,
Sorry,
what the hell? Mole thing.
What, an actual mole?
It's going to be such and sails. This might scare you, it might not.
I can't actually see anything.
I think you might know it.
Can you sit down beside me, please? Mia! I can't see!
You all know
the point, it's dark.
Mia, can you stay beside me?
Mia,
Right, this is what, guys, I think you might all know the story. If you do, just say. Mine's after sleeping. What was a girl called Amy?
You've got a very big hiney. Hiney. Hiney Hannah. That's American for hiney.
She ate a Daney.
And that's English for Hannah.
Got a doll for her birthday.
Oh no, Abby, it can't be about
The
dolls.
island of the dolls!
Oh,
Abby, I'm telling you now, it can't be about anything else. It's about... I can't see where we're going.
She got a doll. Abby, no. Abby,
When she went out,
what did you do? She saw a teddy.
and she came back really
What?
late.
A teddy? It's a twig.
Shannon, hi, Shan.
She's got nerves of steel and we just threw a twig.
If anybody's here, give us a sign.
Shannon, please don't do that.
Give us a sign.
My bag is missing. It has. It's on me.
Ow! Dad, I want to go now.
Shannon! Oh, thanks. People think we've been murdered. Oh shit! Well, I was asleep. Right, Abby, continue with your story.
And she went out. She came back really late. And that's really bright. And
I know. She's like, what the hell, man? Keep it.
what's going on? And she came back. She went.
What's
she went to
going
bed.
on? Oh my god! What if your dad just like jumped out at us?
No, Abby.
That is such a rubbish story.
My name's not Amy.
Okay.
My name's Hannah. She thinks it's nothing and she goes back to bed. She wakes up with her and she's like, Amy, I'm on the first step.
Oh yeah, obviously. Yeah, I've heard that. That's bollocks.
I'm on the second step.
Could you like put it? Can we go back now?
Shine a light there, Shan.